What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be walking you guys through the best apps for the Samsung Galaxy S22. All these apps are the perfect fit for the new phone and will make your overall experience while using the new Galaxy fantastic. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video, the best apps for the Samsung Galaxy S22. The first app I want to talk about is WeVPN, the fast, secure, and unlimited VPN proxy. This app's available on the Samsung Galaxy S22, as you can see, but it's also available on a variety of other platforms such as Windows, Mac, other Android phones, iOS, and so many more. I'm going to walk you guys through this app and show you why it is one of the best VPN services out there. WeVPN is one of the fastest and most reliable VPN services out there. Available in 66 locations, it provides a seamless and unrestricted internet experience for our users across the world. Like I said, its software is available on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Amazon TV, Android TV, so many options to choose from. And WeVPN defends privacy as a basic human right and keeps your users safe and private online when giving them access to the full web. So I'm going to show you guys, this is the interface for the WeVPN app. As you can see, all you have to do is just tap to be connected to a VPN right here. As you can see, you can choose from many locations to choose from. I chose New York, but if you want to choose somewhere else throughout the world, you have the option to. All these countries are available. And if you just want to shut it off, it's simple. Just click that button again. We have this toolbar up here where it's going to give us all the information about general, auto connect, privacy, tons of different features to choose from. So for example, if you want auto connect turned on, you just click the settings right here, and you're going to have the option to connect on boot, where it automatically connects on your system starts, or you can connect when your app starts, up to you. I have it turned on, but I'm going to turn it on right now on Wi-Fi. And now also there's tons of other settings to look at. We're going to go to privacy right here. So WeVPN does a great job at keeping your privacy secure and safe. And all you have to do is just go into one of these settings and you can have a look at these options for privacy. So for example, we have the VPN kill switch, which will disable your internet connection when the VPN disconnects. We also have allow access to local network, which will give you access to devices such as printers or file servers. Tons of privacy options that are safe and secure. I definitely recommend checking out the settings and downloading WeVPN. So overall, if you want a VPN service that combines the best features and has highly standard security, I definitely recommend downloading WeVPN today. It is available on the Google Play Store, iOS Store, whatever platform you need to use WeVPN on. You can get it most likely on that device. The link to the app is in the description of this bio. Make sure to check it out as soon as this video is over with. Thank you guys. The next app I want to talk about is really good for the new S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S22, and that is the coloring app. To access it, all you need to do is just get your S Pen out right here, pull that out. And now we're going to have the option to go to coloring right here. This is the app. It's available on this Air Command section on the Samsung Galaxy S22. We just click that right here. And now we're going to have tons of different coloring books to choose from. I'm not necessarily the best color or drawer as it is, but this is a great way to kill time. Also, if you're interested in coloring, it's one of your favorite hobbies, this is a great way to do it. It actually feels like you're coloring with a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil. So definitely check this out right here. We got tons of different options to choose from. For example, we click on this, we can start coloring right away. You can choose different colors to choose from. I'm not that good at coloring, so like this is a quick example. It feels like you're using a real crayon, coloring pencil, whatever it is. This is just an example of how to use the app. But if you're a big fan of coloring and doodling in your free time, or if it's one of your favorite hobbies, I definitely recommend checking the coloring app out on the Samsung Galaxy S22. All you have to do is just pull out the S Pen, it'll take you to this Air Command, or you can click this pen icon right here and access it right down here. The next app I want to talk about for the Samsung Galaxy S22, it's also a perfect app for the S Pen. It's nothing crazy, but it's the Notes app. And with the S Pen, it's now a game changer because you can convert your text or your handwriting from the S Pen to text on the Samsung Galaxy S22. So I think this is a super cool feature, and it's an app I wanted to show you guys of how this works. So if we go to the pen icon right now or Air Command and we just click Create Note, we are now in the Notes app on the Samsung Galaxy S22. And if we wanted to create a title, for example, let me show you guys how this works. I'm going to write my name, for example. Not the nicest handwriting, but it's going to pick that up and convert it to text. So if you prefer writing over typing with your fingers, you can now use the S Pen to write notes, and it'll convert that into text on the Samsung Galaxy S22. Hopefully it's not too messy or it won't pick it up, but even as you can see, my handwriting was pretty messy right there and it still picked it up. It's a very intuitive app and it's a very intuitive phone overall, especially with this S Pen. So when you have the chance, go to the Notes app on the Samsung Galaxy S22 and try writing with the S Pen. Even if you're not used to it at first, you'll begin to get the hang of it pretty fast. I've only had this phone for a few days and I'm already picking it up. And like I said, it's very intuitive and it'll get the job done when using the Notes app on the Samsung Galaxy S22. The next few apps we're going to talk about actually come with the Samsung Galaxy S22 when you download it, so you don't have to go to the Google Play Store and download these. These are already going to be on your phone. And the first one I want to talk about is Samsung Health right here. This is one of the great fitness apps that allows you to track your exercises, create exercise routines, track how many steps and your calories and whatnot. I'm going to dive into this app right now, show you all the different options you can choose from. So right off the bat, we show how many steps we have. Obviously, I haven't started my day yet, so I'm at 0, but not the point. The point is exercise. We have tons of options to choose from. If you look at all of these, whatever you like to work out and like to do when you're working out, these options you can choose from, and it'll help you track your progress throughout that whole process. We have how many calories we've eaten in that day, and you can record this by just clicking record right here, and now it's going to tell you which meal type, so breakfast, lunch, dinner, all morning snacks, whatever it is, you can track your calories. Just put those in after you eat it. It'll track your calories to help you stay on track. Whether you're trying to gain weight, lose weight, whatever that may be, the Samsung Health app is here to help you reach your goals. It'll give you your sleep record so you can track how many hours you've slept. You can set the amount and you'll get an alarm in the morning and when to go to bed at night. Your phone will actually get dimmer when it's time to go to bed, giving you that signal that, okay, it's time to put my phone away and go to bed. Tons of other options. How many water glasses you've had all day. You can actually track that too. So whenever you want to drink a cup of water, just put down right here, this plus button right here. And basically it's going to tell you how many liters you've had, how many fluid ounces. I didn't even know it could do this until explaining to you guys right now, which I find is super cool. There's tons of fitness videos to choose from. For women, what's new, all these different options. As you can see, this app is very full of information, data, and opportunities to help stay on track of your goals, stay on top of what you need to do to help lose or gain weight and meet your goals for working out. I definitely recommend checking that out. And if you are into working out, this is the #1 app, in my opinion, on the Samsung Galaxy S22 to help track your weight. One of the coolest new physical features for the Samsung Galaxy S22 that is now MagSafe compatible. This means there's MagSafe properties in the back of this phone that allows you to charge it without using a wire, and you can just use a magnetic charger to charge the Samsung Galaxy S22. For me personally, if you're going to use these MagSafe compatibilities, I recommend using the Lightning Gear 2-in-1 charger or the Lightning Gear 3-in-1 charger. These are my go-to chargers for MagSafe properties. I use these on a daily basis. As you can probably tell, the phone's going to go right here for the L-Gear 2-in-1 charger, and the phone's going to go right here for the L-Gear 3-in-1 charger. It's a perfect stick, and your phone will be charged in a short amount of time. So if you want to access an L-Gear 2-in-1 or an L-Gear 3-in-1 charger, go to lgear.com. The link is on the screen right here. It's also going to be in the description of this video. So go check out their website after this video if you want to use your Samsung Galaxy S22's MagSafe properties to the best of your ability. These are the best chargers to use with their slick design and incredible charging abilities. So definitely go check that out after this video. Next app I want to talk about, you're probably not going to be that intrigued when I tell you guys what it is, but I found out a pretty cool feature. Especially, it's really helpful to use when you're in school or you have homework, and that's the calculator app. So now you're just thinking it's probably your common calculator app where you just put in your numbers and crunch them and get what you need to do. But I found this option right here, and it's basically an option that converts your units for any type of conversion. So as you can see, they have anything from area, length, temperature, volume, mass, data, speed, all of these options, and whatever you put in for the acres or whatever amount that is, it's going to convert that into what you're looking for. So for example, we're on acres right now, and you can choose all these options to choose from to convert that. I thought this was super cool, and I'm in a math class right now, so I think it'd be actually very helpful to use this app when you're doing your schoolwork. It's much easier than have to pull up on a website or type it on Google this conversion. So I definitely recommend checking this calculator app out when you're doing your schoolwork or whatever type of work you need this calculator app for. But as you can see, tons of different conversions to choose from. I'm pretty outstanding by this. I think this is super cool. And I think you guys should definitely check it out when you're doing your schoolwork on the calculator app with the Samsung Galaxy S22. Next app I want to talk about also comes with the Samsung Galaxy S22. I think it's super cool. I've talked about this feature in previous videos for other Android devices like the previous Samsung or the Google Pixel, but I think it's super cool, so I think it's worth going over on this app or on this video as well. And that's the voice recorder app. Like the calculator app, you're probably not too enthused with how cool this app actually is, but I'm going to show you guys why it's a #1 app on the Samsung Galaxy S22 and why you guys should consider using it more often. So when we go to the voice recorder app, we obviously have just standard where when you put in a voice or you click the red button right here, it's going to start recording and you can pick up your speech. But there's 2 other tabs I want to talk about, and these are the cool ones. So we have speech to text right here. So you can cover up to 10 minutes of speech into text. This will convert all your speech into text right here. And basically, if I just click this red dot, we're going to click agree, and now we're going to start talking, and it's going to start to pick up exactly what I'm saying. You can record up to 10 minutes, like I said, but isn't this pretty super cool? I think it's necessary if you need to jot down notes, but you don't feel like typing it all out. You can just speech into your phone, and you're going to be able to have this audio converted into text. If it's an important note and you don't feel like writing down, I definitely recommend using this speech to text right here. We can pause that. We click OK. And now what we can do right here is we can save this recording, and then we can put it into a specific category. And then we can convert it somewhere. We can transfer it on by clicking share. If we want to add the date created, the name, the duration, all these other informations we can do. So if I want to click share, I can share this with anyone I want by all these apps as a voice file, a text file now, because now it went from speech to text. So if you want to share it as a voice file, you can, or if you want to share it as a text file, you can. It's up to you. But I'd assume you'd want to do the text file if you went to the voice to text setting specifically on the Samsung Galaxy S22. But we're going to exit out of this right now and go back here. Like this right here, and we're back to the normal page. And next one I want to talk about is interview right here. So basically you can record conversations using the mics on the top and bottom of your phone to help you prepare for interviews and whatnot. So if we click the red button, it's going to pick up my audio, and you can use this to practice your interviews when you have a big one coming up. And if you want to practice, this is definitely the #1 app to use on your Samsung Galaxy S22. It allows you to hear yourself after and figure out what you're saying correctly, what you want to fix, and what you want to improve on. I think that's super cool. I just want to run that over with you guys. But overall, check out the voice recorder app when you get the chance. It comes with the Samsung Galaxy S22, and it's worth checking out. The next app I want to talk about is Stop, Breathe, Think, the meditation app that allows you to help reduce anxiety, stress, and help you for sleep. I think this app is a great app to check out, especially if you struggle with any of those options I just listed. And we're going to check it out right now. We're just going to open it. You can get this on the Google Play Store. First, it's going to ask how you are and check in with yourself, then pick a tuned mindfulness session to improve your night. So this is primarily for sleeping, in my opinion. If you have trouble sleeping, meditation is the perfect way to help relieve that issue. And it's a long process, but once you pick it up, you're going to realize how beneficial it is for your life. So I definitely recommend checking this app out if you are into meditation. And it's going to tell you to take a breath, to close your eyes, and tell you other options to help relieve stress. We have other options right here. You can explore different activities. So star activities, see your favorites. You can also look at all these activities such as 15 days wake up challenge, get started. And these are all sessions you can go look into when using your Samsung Galaxy S22 if you want to improve certain aspects of your life. So we have advanced meditations, athletic prep, tons of options to choose from. I definitely recommend checking those out when you have the chance. We have our series section, which allows you to grow your mindfulness practice with multi-day collections of activities. These range from guided meditations to journal prompts, breathing exercises, and so much more. And you can look at all of these to choose from, depending on what your goals are for your meditation, or if you're trying to reduce anxiety, whatever that may be, there's always going to be an option in the series section for you. Definitely recommend checking that out. And lastly, we have our progress section. I just downloaded this app recently, but if you look, it's going to show you how many stickers you've gained, how many rewards, what you're doing, what your emotions you're feeling. Tons of different metrics to look at for your meditation progress. And lastly, we have our more goodies section right here where you can upgrade to premium. You can learn how to meditate. You can stop about breathing, thinking. Overall, great app to help reduce anxiety. And if you're looking to improve your meditation, improve your sleep, I definitely think this is an app that's worth checking out for you. I want to take a quick break from the video to introduce to you guys an incredible app where you can earn rewards and other great prizes simply by just answering questions taking surveys and sharing feedback, and that app is Quick Thoughts. Using our exclusive link I'm about to share with you guys can earn all these rewards by just answering thoughtfully different surveys and taking surveys and other quizzes, and I'm going to show you guys how to access that link right now. Claiming free rewards and other great prizes with Quick Thoughts using our exclusive link, all you have to do is just go to Safari or any other web browser and type in bit.ly/getquickthoughts. That is bit.ly/getquickthoughts. It's also in the link in the description of this video, and it is right here on the screen. In case you forget it, make sure to check those links out after this video. But basically all you have to do is just type that in and click go. It is going to actually take us to the app on the App Store itself. So essentially it's going to give you an overview of the app right here. And look, if you look right here, it's going to show you all the different rewards and prizes you can actually win, such as gift cards, different discounts, cashback, and other great rewards, all from this app, just by taking simple surveys and sharing feedback on certain things. I'm going to show you guys the app in a second, but this is a quick preview of it, and all you have to do is just download it today. Once we're on the app page using the link we gave you guys, you're just going to click open. It's going to take us to the Quick Thoughts app. It's going to ask you to sign up, or if you're an existing user, just put in your information, but it's completely free to use. And keep in mind that you guys are supporting our channel by using the link we shared with you, but also on top of that, you guys are getting access to some of the best rewards and prizes with the different surveys that Quick Thoughts comes with by using our exclusive link. So definitely keep that in mind and definitely use our link when downloading Quick Thoughts. On top of that, this is an overall win-win app where you guys actually have the chance to win great rewards and prizes simply by just taking quizzes and different surveys. So you guys do not want to miss out on this opportunity, and make sure to click that link. It is bit.ly/getquickthoughts. It's in the link in the description of the video, so just click that when this video is over, and thank you guys for watching this part of the video. Enjoy. The last app I want to talk about, it's not a real app, I'd say, but you can get it when you get the Samsung Galaxy S22. It comes with the phone, and just the tip section right here. Basically, this allows you to learn more about your phone you're using. Since it's a brand new phone, people often don't know the new features of it right away, besides the big features that are announced on the TV when they're released. But besides that, these are all new features that you can read into for the Samsung Galaxy S22. We have settings, apps, and features. There's also an S Pen section with the brand new S Pen right here. If you're not familiar on how to use that, you can always go to that section on the Samsung Galaxy S22 and read more about that. But I just recommend checking this out. Our job as AppFind is to provide you with this information, but if you want to look into stuff with more detail, then you should go to this tips app. This will be very beneficial to you and help you learn to use your phone like a complete pro. I think it's worth it. I always go into this tip section whenever I get a new phone. Helps me learn about the phone a little more so I can help teach you guys and go into detail with you guys. So if you want to learn more about the Samsung Galaxy S22, the S Pen, and its cool features, go to the tips app. It's definitely worth checking out, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. These were the best apps for the Samsung Galaxy S22. Make sure to drop a like and hit the subscribe button if you found this content useful, and make sure to go see the links in the description of this video to download those apps I mentioned in this video. Also, I encourage you guys to go to our AppFind VIP newsletter website at appfindvip.com and subscribe to our email newsletter to get the best mobile apps and games delivered directly to your inbox. You can also automatically be entered into these AppFind giveaways where we'll give away iTunes and Google Play gift cards to our lucky winners. And while you're at it, feel free to check out our Instagram at AppFindVIP, where we will be posting tips, tricks, and hidden features for all phones and tech out there on the daily basis. And lastly, check out our bestrewards.app.com to see all our affiliates and all our sponsors that we work with, and check out these incredible apps on this website. You guys do not want to miss out on any of these opportunities. So thank you guys for supporting us, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.